In this video, I'm going to go over this organic chemistry problem where we have an amine, a carbonyl in the reactant, and in the reagent, we have the first step as slightly acidic conditions at a pH of around 4. Second step, we have a reducing agent, NaBH3CN. So in acidic conditions here, we are going to protonate the carbonyl, right? Even though the nitrogen is more acidic than the carbonyl here, once this nitrogen gets protonated, this nitrogen will lose its pair of electrons and it can no longer be the nucleophile. So that's why we are doing it in slightly acidic conditions to avoid over-protonating this amine. So we want to be able to protonate the carbonyl oxygen instead, which will then give us this protonated carbonyl here. Now, once we have this protonated carbonyl here, the next step is to have this nucleophile amine attack the carbonyl carbon, push the double bond onto the oxygen to create this ring here. And this is intramolecular reaction because the nucleophile is on the same molecule as the electrophile. Right, so what I like to do is that I like to number my number 1 atom, the nucleophile, which is this nitrogen right here. And then this is going to be my number 2 atom, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So we know that we're going to make a 5-membered ring, which is going to be this right here. Our nitrogen is number 1, this is going to be number 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. And this is going to be the neal bond between atoms 1 and atoms 5 because that neal bond comes from this attack right here. And everything else is decoration, copy, and paste. Atom 1, the nitrogen has 2 hydrogens. And because this nitrogen has 4 bonds, it's going to be positively charged. This carbon 2 here has this R group, which is going to be this R group right here with that wedge methyl group. And we see carbon 3, 4, 5 has an OH and the methyl group. Now this is the proton transfer step where we deprotonate the group that we want to keep and protonate the group that we want to kick out. So let's say we use some kind of base to deprotonate this nitrogen. It could be this nitrogen right here to give us this intermediate here. We want to get rid of this alcohol, so to do that, we're going to protonate it with an acid to get this intermediate here. Now because this is a good leaving group, we can form the iminium bond, kick out that good leaving group, and get this last intermediate here. Where the final step is going to be this right here, and I hope that helps. If you want to hang out with me and join my organic chemistry office hours, that will be on my Linktree.